Greetings, fellow Stoics. Welcome this profound moment of contemplation, where we delve into the roots of the ancient meditations of Marcus Aurelius himself. Inspired by this Stoic wisdom, envision yourself as a philosopher meditating alongside Mr. Aurelius to further align with his spirit. In this meditation, synchronize your mind and breath, embodying the principles that construct inner empires. Now adopt a posture conducive to unobstructed breath flow. Trust your body's innate wisdom. This is your intuition. Close your eyes and direct your awareness inward. View your breath as an essential thread, bringing you closer to your cosmic order. Observe the muscle contraction during inhalation. This symbolizes the resilience of your soul. Stomach expansion signifies the vastness of your inner empire. Allow your ribs to stretch on each inhalation. This symbolizes inner fortitude. Exhalation represents shedding burdens that hinder the construction of your empire. As an observer, let your breath guide you. This breathwork should be unrestricted. Experiment and delve into its depths, or lightly graze the surface. This reflects life's variability. Redirect wandering thoughts to the breath, which acts as a mandatory anchor. Be a watchman over this rhythm as you reflect on your life's purpose and cosmos. This reveal in breath perspective is a Stoic tradition that showcases your inner strength. Now take a deep inhalation. Your stomach and ribs will expand. I want you to pause. Now hold this tranquility. This symbolizes a pause in life's journey, allowing for self-reflection. In this moment, we must listen to our gut feeling, otherwise known as our intuition. Exhale, release any tension and return to your natural cadence. Express gratitude to yourself, and with each breath, you will foster more clarity. Once you are satisfied with your mental perspective, return gently to the external world as you've improved resilience and will construct renaissance. Open your eyes and carry this serenity with you, and watch as you achieve your higher purpose. You're bound to foster strength, resilience, and fortitude, all while remaining grounded and balanced. In this breath work, you will find your connection to the Stoic wisdom. This is a reminder that your inner alignments with your cosmic order and purpose serve as navigation. Now that you've laid this foundation for your destined empire, build with a purpose. This is step 1. Step 2 is to view the videos on screen or in the video description below, all while maintaining this breathwork. These are Stoic affirmations that will further engrave this abundance mindset deep into your subconscious mind. These allow for a deeper understanding of yourself and will assist you along your Stoic path. Now, you are ready to apply this breathwork technique to the affirmations I've created. Take your time. This process is not meant to be rushed. The more time you take on building this mindset, the more abundant your life will become. You should be proud of yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's time for you to put in the time and effort to further construct and maintain this mindset. I have a playlist dedicated towards Stoic affirmations and breathwork. Come back to this playlist as needed. Now that you have all the information needed, you no longer need me.
You have power over your mind, not external events. Realize this, and you will find strength